In this spotlight, we will be discussing the CareGoal data type. The CareGoal data type represents a record of an expected outcome. This is usually recorded as part of a care plan. A CareGoal record may contain information about what kind of outcome is expected, what the target outcome value was, when the goal was recorded, when the goal was expected to be met, and any other record to which the goal was related. For example, the care goal might be asthma risk score, and the target outcome might be less than 4, indicating that at the target date, an assessment of the asthma risk score should be made and the value should be less than 4. This has been a QDM spotlight on the CareGoal data types. For more information, please read the QDM specification available on the ECQI Resource Center.